Hey guys, Devmitra one more time. A very warm welcome to all of you and a very good morning to you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So today I'm going to talk about something that is very important and very demanding in today's technology. That is cloud computing. So what is called cloud computing, guys? Do you have any idea? Okay, I know you have idea, a little bit idea of cloud computing. I'm going to provide you the proper idea about it. Okay, so let's get start the session. I'm going to share my screen with you about cloud computing. I'm going to show you something that is very important. So in today's session, I'm going to talk about cloud computing. So what is cloud? At first, we need to know, okay, what is cloud? So these are the things about cloud, what I'm going to give you that idea. So what is the cloud? Do you have any idea? I know you have, but I'm going to brief it one more time. Okay. Moving to the cloud, running in the cloud, stored in the cloud, accessed from the cloud. These days, it seems like everything is happening in the cloud. But what exactly is the nebulous concept? The short answer is that it's somewhere the other end of your internet connection, a place where you can access apps and services and where your data can be stored securely. The cloud is a big deal for three reasons. It doesn't need any effort on your part to maintain or manage it. It's effectively infinite in size, so you don't need to worry about it running out of capacity. You can access cloud based applications and services from anywhere. All you need is a device with an internet connection. That's important because there is a shift going on from office based work to working on the move. The shift is reflected in the computer hardware sales in 2015. About 270 million desktop and laptop computers will be sold. Computers to 325 million tablets and almost 2 billion smartphones. Okay, that makes the cloud a very good place to run business software like customer relationship management applications. Software that users need to access reliably at any time, wherever they are, and on any device. What Steve Jobs has said about it. Okay, I don't need to hard disk in my computer if I can get to the server faster. Carrying around the non-connected computers in Byzantine by comparison. The history of cloud computing. What is the history behind cloud computing? The internet has its roots in 1960s, but it wasn't until the early 1990s that it had any relevance for businesses. The World Wide Web was born in 1991, and in 1993, a web browser called Mosaic was released that allowed users to view web pages that included graphics and well as text. This hurdled the first company website. And not surprisingly, most of these belong to companies involved in computing and technology. As internet connections got faster and more reliable, a new type of company called as an application service provider or ASP started to appear. ASPs took existing business applications and ran them for their customers. The ASP would buy the computing hardware and keeping the applications running. And the customer would pay a monthly fee to access it over the internet. But it wasn't until right at the end of the 1960s that cloud computing as we know it today appeared. That's when Salesforce.com introduced its own multi-tenant application, which was specially designed. Okay. Why Salesforce did it? To run in the cloud, to be accessed over the internet from a web browser, to be used by large numbers of customers simultaneously at low cost. Since then the cloud has grown and grown. In 2013, worldwide spending on cloud service ran to an estimated 47 billion, and that's set to more than double to over 108 billion by 2017 as companies invest in cloud services as the foundation for a new competitive uh, offerings. How cloud computing works. With a cloud app, you just open a browser, log in, and start working. That means a field sales representative using cloud based CRM can get all the information they need from their mobile device. Contact notes can be updated in real time so they are always fresh and complete and available to others. No more waiting to get back to the office to type it in. And sales managers know exactly which deals will close and when from their desktop machines in their offices or their tables or phones when they are out and about. And this all happens without any hardware to buy and manage or software to install and update. That's because the hardware and software required is all the responsibility of the cloud company that runs the app. Companies such as salesforce.com have years of experience managing this cloud infrastructure and making sure that it's secure and reliable, that you don't have to. You can run all kind of apps in the cloud. Create and collaborate and on documents and spreadsheets with Google Apps for business. Video conference with your colleagues on Skype. Manage your sales and customer service functions alongside other key business processes and on App Cloud. You can even build your own social, mobile, and real-time employee apps and run them in the cloud. The latest innovations in cloud computing are making business applications even more mobile and collaborative. If you are a Facebook or Twitter user, you have probably come to expect relevant information pushed to you in real time. Business applications like Sales Cloud are heading in that direction as well. Need help. So, what are the uses of cloud? Okay, without the cloud, life would be very different. It became so integral to our everyday lives that most people use it without even realizing it. The cloud is unthinkable. Without the cloud, life would be very different. It becomes so integral to our everyday life that most people use it without even realizing it. In fact, for many people, life without the cloud would be unthinkable. Without it, there would be no Facebook, no Twitter, no Gmail, and no Spotify. The cloud has transformed the business landscape too. Today, millions of organizations around the world rely on cloud services for everything from document creation and backup to social CRM and accounts, and just about every application imaginable in between. Companies with over 25,000 employees use an average of 545 cloud apps or services. Over 1.2 billion people around the world use Facebook. Over half of all internet users rely on cloud based email services like Gmail and Yahoo. Mail to send and receive their messages. What's so great about the cloud? Adoption of the cloud has been swift and global. Here are some of the most important reasons why. The first one is first implementation. No upfront cost, instant scalability, maintenance free, access from anywhere, battery security. Okay. So right now I'm going to brief all those points. Okay. So first implementation. If you have ever been involved in the implementation of a new application, you will know it can take months or even years to get it up and running. But with a cloud-based application, you can cut through this complexity. In many cases, you can sign up and start using the application instantly, and even the most wide ranging enterprise applications are usually up and running in a matter of days of weeks rather than months or years. Second one is no upfront cost. Implementing a new application used to mean considerable capital expenditure uh, in new equipment, not to mention the cost of license, integration, and the inevitable consultant. But with cloud software, these capital expenditure costs are dramatically reduced or even completely eliminated. Instead, you simply pay a monthly fee, transforming a significant capital expenditure into predictable operational expense. The third one is instant scalability. With cloud-based applications, you can increase or decrease the number of users as you need change over time. That means you pay only for what you need and you never have to worry about running out capacity. The fourth one is maintenance free. Patching, upgrading, and testing applications can take up days of your IT staff's time every month, but with cloud applications, none of this is necessary. That's because it's all handled in the cloud, leaving your staff with more time to work on new projects and innovations. The fifth one is access from anywhere. Cloud applications are designed to be accessed securely from anywhere and from any device. Better security. Companies lose on an average of 263 laptops a year. A 2010 study found if they contain confidential data, they each loss has serious security implications. But with cloud applications, your data is stored securely in the cloud. So a stray laptop is just an inconvenience, not a potential disaster. So taking the first step, you will find that many of your existing business applications have a cloud capability, from office productivity to CRM and sales management tools. So you can move your apps into the cloud at a pace that suits your business with predictable cost, control risk, and immediate gains in flexibility. The business case is strong. All you have to do is to take the first step. So these are the things, guys, about cloud computing. And in Salesforce, cloud computing is an integrated part of Salesforce. So if you are going to join Salesforce, you need to know about cloud computing. That's why I have given the idea about cloud computing. And Salesforce is world's #1 CRM that we all know about it. So if you are going to join Salesforce, you have to gain that idea about all those things. So guys, these are the things from today's sessions, and our YouTube channels are going on, our Salesforce trainings are going on, our Java trainings are going on. You can join our training programs. You can get that knowledge from our YouTube channels. Also in our YouTube channel, there are so many videos about technical videos, and all videos we are providing, and you can see, and you can go over there and you can see all those videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and do visiting our websites also, and gain the proper knowledge and be a proper professional person. So that's from the side. Okay, bye for now.